It's a 2018 GMC Yukon. Well built, well liked, and well up to the task. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, power tilt down heated mirrors, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, doors and push button start proximity key, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Buy with confidence at DeMontrond. With an incredible inventory, competitive financing, top dollar for your trade, plus a real powertrain warranty for as long as you own your vehicle, it's definitely DeMontrond.